guys, it's Vikash back again. I'm sure you guys have the older MacBook Pros like 2010, 11, 12, and they used to come in pretty, like a low RAM memory though. They used to come in 4 gigs or 8 gigs, and which is kind of pretty low as of today. So I'm going to show you guys today how you can upgrade your 2010, 11, 12 MacBook Pros memory up to 16 gigabytes. So what I did is, so basically I found these nice crucial two slots of 8 gigs each, 16 gig in total memory slots, DDR3 with 1600 megahertz. And those are pretty good though. I read the reviews and they have pretty good reviews. So we're going to be using these and upgrading my MacBook Pro 2011 13-inch 4 gig memory to 16 gig. So let's see. Okay, so that's my MacBook Pro 2011 13 inches. And what do we need is we need a screwdriver to kind of open up all the screws. So let's see, let's try to open all the screws. Okay, and now just flip over the cover from the back easily, and there you go. Ooh, look at that. Look at this fancy motherboard though. Okay, so that's where our two slots of the RAM which are installed here. So what we're gonna do is to take them out. We just pull them, just pull these connectors. It comes out. Don't be afraid, just put a little pressure and it comes out like this. And there is one more. There you go. If you can't pull out by hand, just use a screwdriver to kind of pull them out from the slots. A bit easier. And there you go. But the two slots, and I think each of these are 2 gigabytes. Okay, now we can putting the new slots in there. So we just take the new memories. One slot goes in one, and what you do is just follow the cuts on the RAM slot and slightly first push in the bottom one. Don't afraid to push it. You just slide a little bit more and softly push it towards the bottom. There you go. You see a little bit click sound. Now similarly put the other one which is on the top. So there you go. Push it to the slot and then push it to the bottom, and there you go. You are all good to go. And now the last thing is to put back the screws on, and we would be good. Okay, and the last thing guys is to double check if the memory we upgraded should be visible on your Mac configuration now. So you would see it's 16 gigs, 16 megahertz, and DDR3 memory. So that's it for today guys. If you really like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on below. Thank you. See you guys soon. Bye.